Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to all the students of grade 1. I'm your science teacher, Ma'am Nima. How are you all? I hope you all are good and doing your work and taking your classes on time. Okay, this is again Unit 6, Growing Plants, and this is your lecture 28 on Google Classroom GC, and the date is 13th January 2021. All of you open your science textbooks. Again, we are going to do some of the pages of our science textbook. All of you open your science textbook. So this is the first page which we are going to do today. This is page 98 of your science textbook. Write today's date and day on this page. Classwork 13th January 2021 and the day is Wednesday. All of you write date and day on this page. Okay, so what we have to do, what we have learned about growing plants. Parts of a plant. Circle the words for the 4 parts of a plant, then draw a line from each word to the correct part of the plant. What you have to do, they have given you some words. You just have to circle the parts of the plant and then you have to match them with their picture. You should have drawn lines to link each part of these words with the matching part of the plant. So the first word which is given is hand. Is hand a part of a plant? No, hand is our part of body. It's not a part of a plant, so we don't have to circle it. Under hand we have a word stem, S-T-E-M. Is stem a part of a plant? Yes, you all know that stem is a part of a plant, so you have to circle stem or you can color in it and then you will match it with the picture. Then we have a glass. Is glass a part of a plant? No. Glass is not a part of a plant, so we don't have to match it. Voice, you know that voice is not a part of a plant. Then on the other side at the top we have flower. Yes, flower is a part of a plant. Match the word flower with the flower. Then we have leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Yes, leaf is a part of a plant. Circle leaf and match it with the leaf picture. Next we have roots, R-O-O-T-S, roots. Circle the roots or you can color it and then you have to match it with the roots. At the last we have family. It's not a part of a plant. Class, can you name any leaf that you can eat? Yes, we have discussed that there are many leaves which are eatable, as lettuce, as spinach. And can you name a root that you can eat? Roots that we can eat are carrot, potatoes, and so many. At the end it's written, I know the names of the 4 parts of the plant. Do you all know the names of 4 parts of a plant? The 4 major parts? Flower, leaves, stem, roots. So tick the circle as you all know that. This page is done. Now you have to move towards the next page, which is page 99. Okay class, now write date and day on page number 99 of your science textbook. Classwork Wednesday 13th January 2021 on this page. So what we are going to discuss on this page, growing plants. Class, if you have remembered that we have discussed that how we have to grow sunflowers from seeds. Do you remember how we grew sunflowers from seeds? What is the first thing we do when we plant seeds? Yes, we have to put pebbles in the bottom of the plant. So do we put the compost first or pebbles first? No, we have to put pebbles first, and on pebbles we put the compost. And I want to tell you one more thing, that all the seeds are not eatable. Some of the seeds are edible, as coconut seeds, peas, and there are some other also. I know you all wondered that how small seeds can produce very large plants or even the massive trees. Yes, this thing is very interesting, that how the small seeds grow into very large plants or trees. Yes, if we give proper water to the seeds and we look after them properly, so then they can grow properly into large plants or the trees. They need care. Now here you have some of the steps how we grow the sunflower seeds. Grow some sunflowers, match the sentences to the pictures. They have given you 4 statements that how we do the sunflower seed, how we grow it, and you have to match the statement with the correct picture. First statement we have, get a pot, put some pebbles in it. So which picture is showing that? Yes, picture number C. You have to match the first statement with picture number C. Number 2, fill the pot with compost, water the compost. Yes. Then secondly, you have to put the pot with compost and then you have to water it. So you have to match statement 2 with picture D. Third, we have plant 2 sunflower seeds. Yes, you have to plant 2 sunflower seeds and then you have to press it a little bit in the compost. So picture B is showing that. Then number 4, the last step, water the seedlings. Now you have to water the seedling. This is the picture A. You have to match it with the picture A. Now class, do you know which 2 seeds do half of the world's population rely on for food? There are 2 very special seeds on which we rely for the half of the world is rely for the food. Those seeds are wheat seeds for flour to make bread and the rice seeds. Yes, so mostly the world is rely upon its for its food on the wheat and on the rice. Next, what do we have? I know that seeds grow into plants and trees. What plants need to grow? Look at the pictures of the plants and read the sentences, circle the correct words. This plant has or does not have enough water. Yes, you have to circle does not have. Why? Because you can see the leaves are wilted, they are very soft and it seems that they are not fresh. So the reason is that they does not have enough of the water which is required for them. Number B, this plant has or does not have enough water. Yes, you can see the second plant is the cactus and it is very fresh and fully grown, so it has enough water. Number C, this plant has been grown in the light or dark. Yes, you can see it is totally green plant. So the plants which are green and which are not that soft, it means that they are grown in the light. If they are not grown in the light, then the leaves should be yellow, but they are green, so it is grown in the light. So you have to circle light here. In the last, we have a statement, I know that plants need light and water to grow well. You have to take it because this is the fact. The plants need light and water to grow properly. Okay students, so now open of your workbook, page 78 of your science workbook. This is the last page of today. On this page we have to write the names of some of the fruits and vegetables and then you have to draw some of them. So open page 78, also write today's date and day on page 78 of your science workbook. Parts of a plant. Home learning fruits and vegetables. In the first picture they have given you some fruits pictures, and in the second one they have given you some vegetable pictures. You have to write their names. The first one is the banana. You have to write banana in the first box. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Write banana in the first box. Which is the second picture? It's a pear, P-E-A-R. Write pear in the second box. Now write pear in the second box, P-E-A-R, pear. Next we have the picture of dates under banana, D-A-T-E-S, dates. When we used to eat dates a lot in Ramzan. Then the next picture of fruit we have the grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Write grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. They are with pear. Then the next picture we have, in the next picture we have some vegetables. The first picture is of a picture of cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage. In Urdu we call it band gobi, cabbage. Then we have a picture of broccoli, that is very nice vegetable. We use it basically in salads, and we also cook it. This is broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. It's of green color, broccoli, B-R-O-C-C-O-L-I. Broccoli. Then next we have a picture of carrot. With the cabbage we have a picture of carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Write carrot, C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Then the last we have a picture of radish, R-A-D-I-S-H. Class, radish is basically in Urdu we call it a little, in Urdu we also call it mooli, and the skin of it is of different colors. Sometimes it's pink and sometimes it is very small in size, sometimes it is long, sometimes the skin is white, sometimes it's pink, yellow, but the flesh of it is white. Radish, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. So write radish in the last one. Look at the fruits and vegetables. Ask people at home to help you to find out the names of these fruits and vegetables. Write the names in the correct boxes. You may need someone to help you, but basically it's a home learning activity, but I am helping you to do it in the classwork. Okay, you can also find some of the fruits and vegetables. You can find these at home as well. If you find one of them, tick the box where you have written its name. Cross the box if you did not find it. If you find any of these fruits and vegetables at home, you can tick that box, and if you don't find any of them, you can cross it. Find a fruit and or vegetable that is not in the picture. Now there is a box, and in this box you have to draw some fruits or vegetables which are not in the above picture, and you can color it nicely. So this was all for today. You have to do this work neatly, nicely, and you have to color the pictures of fruits and vegetables. Okay, take care of yourself, students. This was all for today. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.